Hey guys, welcome back to another Roblox video, and you're wondering, I'm not on Facecam anymore. I unplugged it, because I didn't want to use it. So, and you guys got to see, and I only wanted to do Facecam once, and I did not know if I was going to do part 2 or not. But I am, so, I kind of explained. Well, dang me! I explained that I was going to do part 2 in the last part. Okay, let's just, I also reset off camera. I also bought this off camera, and I also collected some money off camera. We still got lots of ways to go. We literally gotta, like, collect a lot of teddy bears. Like, we literally gotta collect a lot. And the camera is still where it was last time. I see my face camera right now. I'm so silent as this thing is going. Like, we still gotta complete this freaking Tycoon. Like, we've got a long way to go. There might be a lot of parts. Let's put it back on our Chica Morph. We want to get, scary for the game. Okay, guys, so I put back on my Chica Morph, and I decided to go collect some money. And I've got 3,000. Pretty cool. Let's just start collecting. Also, guys, this is something about Encanto. There's a Dolores doll coming out, and there's also gonna be a singing Isabella and Bruno, and they're all coming out as dolls. So it seems like Jack Specific is finally listening to us. And I requested a Camilo doll, so hopefully they were gonna get one. But anyways, that's not about the game. We'll start focusing on the game more. We're so close to getting that much money. We don't have lots of time left. We don't have like we have like lots of time to complete the game. Actually, because I'm on summer break. Let's see. Is this enough? Yeah. Okay, I got $5,000. I've got enough money to purchase some stuff. I'm not gonna purchase like food and stuff. I can purchase. I'm just gonna save some stuff up. 500. Could I automatically buy that? Cause I still got $5,005. Is it the same glitch as these morphs? Because as you saw in the last video, I bought all of these without having enough money. This is being recorded right after the first one's been uploaded, so go watch the first one, and then watch this one. Because We were doing a lot in the first one. We were like upgrading a lot. And I had my webcam on. I know you guys are probably really sad that it's off, but I don't want to. I just don't want to have it on. As you guys saw, Flower Miracle came back. I'm hopefully soon gonna get some Robux. Like, I really want Robux. We've got a lot of cash. We still gotta wait and wait and wait and wait. Ooh, I got 6,000. We're so close to getting enough money to purchase the lights. Just hit my knee. Ah, it hurts. I'm getting so close. I'm not gonna waste my time doing this in this video, so yeah. Oh, I got 7,000. We gotta keep going though. We gotta get enough money for the lights. Okay, let's just wait. Ew, I'm thinking of a really weird song right now. I don't know why. I remember the good times when me and Val started Flower Miracle last year. We're so close. We got 8,000. We gotta keep going. I don't think there's gonna be a part 3. And if there is, then I'll probably be like in another Tycoon. Because that might be the next day. It might be tomorrow and then make part 3. Because I can't stay in this game for the whole night. Okay. I remember how I used to like, I hide my face now. Whenever my siblings record me, I was like, no! And I cover my face. We're at 9 minutes. 9,000! We're so close. Once I get him enough, I will be getting those lights. I don't know the last time people played this game. Oh my gosh. 600? Okay, let's keep on going. Okay. And ploop. Now we have enough to get those lights. Ooh. It makes it look so much better in here. It really does. And we don't have enough to purchase everything, so I think I'm gonna end it off here. There probably is gonna be no part 3. I'm sorry, but there's gonna be like no, I don't think I'm gonna make part 3. I will continue the game, but off camera. Well, maybe. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and comment and subscribe. Bye!